In this video, we are going to show you the best and most violent bird attacks. Some of the birds are more violent than you imagine that we show you in this video.
Thank you for liking the video and subscribing to our channel.
The baby rabbit and the mother were walking when the crow attacked the baby rabbit. The mother is trying to save her baby, but the crow is trying to kill the baby rabbit with its beak and feed itself. The eagle has killed the duck in the water and is trying to pull it out of the water so that it can eat it. Eagles are among the strongest birds in the world. Hungry birds cooperate with each other to kill and eat the snake.
The cooperation of these birds with each other is very beautiful.
This bird has cut off the snake's head and is trying to eat the snake. Snakes can live for several hours after their head is cut off, and this is very interesting.
The powerful eagle has caught this green snake with its talons.
The poor baby penguin has been hunted by this carnivorous bird. This is really a heartbreaking scene. The baby penguin has no way to defend himself. This killer bird pierces the heads of these three birds with its big and strong beak.
This bird is very wild.
This bird has caught the baby squirrel. The squirrel wants to run away, but the hungry bird does not let go of its prey. The eagle is so strong that it can hunt the fox.
The eagle saw the fox from the sky and quickly attacked him.
The eagle knocked the fox to the ground and killed the fox with its strong claws.
The rabbit was eating grass when the eagle caught the rabbit.
Is the falcon stronger or the crow? In this scene, you see the conflict between the falcon and the crow.
The The little mouse is caught by this predator and has no escape.
This bird is trying to swallow the mouse with one movement. A baby eagle easily ate a baby chick. The wild hungry crow has attacked the baby eagles. The crows can't hunt the big eagles, but they can hunt the baby eagles. The snake has entered the bird's nest and eats the baby birds. The crow catches the baby rabbit and kills him with its beak. The eagle grabs the goat with its strong claws and takes the goat to the sky with its strong wings. A beautiful scene of the fox being lifted by the eagle is really beautiful. The poor cat has been attacked and killed by an eagle. The eagle is trying to take the cat somewhere else.